Right folks, bit of blind melon today. Wilt for John Brooks over at Patreon. Thanks indeed for your support, sir. Standard tuning, you're going to need a little bit of gain and a phaser for this one. I'm using the 1991 from Funny Little Boxes, trusty thing. I actually got the gain both in the middle, and I'm just rolling the bass right the way off for the main rhythm part. You know, all that stuff. Then I'm adding the phaser with these settings for the... For the second guitar part, same pedals. I've just ramped the bass right up. And then you've got this... And then I'm just using a really high rate for... We'll look at the rhythm parts first, and then we'll look at the second guitar parts played by Christopher, I believe. So we have this. That's the first riff. Slowly. So, I'll use my second finger here. And then a walk down. Full bend and release. And a pull off. Second bar. I'd use a G shape there. Like that, right? Okay, so that's the first verse. You play that around 4 times. The variation comes in. Okay, so we have... just that little fill there. And a little slide there. Bridge part is then. Slowly. So it's just, you know, a little palm muting and string muting going on between the notes. Add the phaser on, and then we've got this for the chorus. 9/8 and then 4/4, okay? So it's 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 4. That's what you'd count. So it's that 3 times. The 4th time, the phaser comes off for that last bar, okay? So without the phaser, slowly. Watch that bit. And the last time. Outro riff then goes. Which is awesome. Plays that 8 times. Slowly. So that's why you don't need much gain for this at all. You really want that to come out. Then we go into 6/8 with this riff. Like that, right? Slowly. And then you end on the 3rd fret there after you play it 4 times round. That's it for the rhythm guitar part. Solo-y bits go 3 4. Again. Pretty straightforward, right? So then we have Slowly again. Then we have the bridge part, slowly. And to speed. Chorus bit's cool, put your phaser on, or, you know, speedy chorus or whatever you have, or even a flanger would probably get there. One more time, slowly. And then off with that. Like that. And a little note on the outro part, you're going to play 3, 4. You got that going on. And then, you know, you can just have fun in the outro bit. Hope you enjoyed that one. See you again soon.